Shosho guys, welcome back to Speaker Now. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ. So today we are back. Sibuka ne reaction la. Khona indaba ezimbi engibona la online. Kuthiwa uSoliphenduka ofuna ukushaya i-podcast and chill kaMacG. So uSoliphenduka bekade ekwishow laphana ebizwa ngeAmagents laphana ishow ehosta uPensini beno ngamkhohlwa lo mjida but ulapha kuleya show laphana because uproducer I think uyena umuntu oyi-owner yonke le nto lena. So ama-question bembuza wena uthe uSoli no this year usedecide ukuthi no usabuilda something yakhe network yakhe so ufuna ukumuvela kuyona ekhandela into yakhe and mina I think i-good movie because uMacG umention ukuthi kulo nyaka ufuna ukuretire ku-podcast so I think indoda nendoda emele icabangele kusasa lawo so uSoliphenduka ngenzeka mhlawumbe kuphela unyaka esekhande yakhe i-podcast because uthe usabuilda laphana-ke so lezi ndaba akaze share laphana kuleya show esithanda kakhulu i-podcast and chill so abantu abaningi bathi no uSoli mayihamba i-podcast izoshona phansi mina I don't think so because ngiyakhumbula uSoli wajoyina isivele inayo i-movie i-podcast ayiqhubeka but kwanethi ngajoyina uSoli yavele ahlangana yonke into kwangathi bekade kuyona i-missing puzzle kade ikhona laphana so I think bangahamba uSoli ama-numbers azoyehla kakhulu futhi but isho ngeke iziphele so abantu abaningi bethi no uSoli engahambi because uma engahamba laphana ngeke ephinde enze enye into I think mina kumele ephinde ebuild something yakhe esayidini even though noma kuthiwa mhlawumbe akahambanga ebuild something so that naye uma kuthiwa iyaphela lanto ezoba khona into akazowela kuyona because siyakhumbula laphana ukuthi naKhaya FM exoshwa la because le show abayenzayo so iyafuneka mhlawumbe ebe na something backup ziningi izinto amenshile kule interview yakhe engangibukelile because uke washo ukuthi no usekazama ukungena kwi-property so ziningi ezinye izinto akazenza but I think le media because yona into akane-passion nayo kumele zame mhlawumbe ukuthi naye ebe ne-media house yakhe nayo azoyenza kuyona so nami umbono wami lo ngu-speaker nawe but I don't think ishow ingaphela uma ngathiwa kuhamba uSoli laphana but angifuna ukuhamba ama-numbers azoshona phansi laphana because uMac benoSoli bakomplementana ngalenye indlela bo into yabo nje vele ihlanganile ende kakhulu so I think mangahamba oyedwa izoba khona lento ebakhona but-ke nje thina sabalandeli be-podcast and chill esayilandela before kufika uSoli I don't think singahambiswa yilokho mina i-podcast and chill ngaqala ukuba ngo-2018 so kwakusekhona laphana uLeni owayi-co-host kaMacG laphana besashintsha ama-ghost ladies lokufika lo phinde kufika lo so I don't think ishow ingaphela mangathiwa mhlambe kuhamba uSoliphenduka so yilo umbono wami-ke but abantu abaningi bathi noma without uSoliphenduka bona basoze bayibukela i-podcast and chill laphana so mina ngomunye umuntu ozohlala laphana but angifuni uqamba manje nala ayakhona uSoli ngamlandela laphana because ngiyayithanda i-personality yakhe nendlela nje aka-honest ngayo laphana emajiteni nje and especially benoMacG lento yabo siyihambisa isikhathi ngathi mhlawumbe bazophelela endleleni because inzima lento ye-podcast because ayikho imali oqala ama-sponsors akhona anqabile and labantu bowu-2 abantu baseredweni so maqhamuka i-offer ama-offers amaningi bathi noma sikuthatha yekela i-podcast but-ke laphana uSoli usekhombisa ukuthi ngempela ulwali laphana kuMacG and bekhona abanye abathi mhlawumbe uMacG akanikeze uSoliphenduka ama-shares e-podcast and chill mhlawumbe emnikeze u-50% and I think leyo umsangano umbhedo-ke lo because ngiyazi ukuthi kunzima kanjani ukuqala something from scratch i-ownership ayona into ekudlalelwa kuyona ngisho ngathi uyamnika mhlawumbe leyo ma-shares not even 50% i-ownership into eserious kabi mhlawumbe usengamhlephulela mhlawumbe leyo 10% mhlawumbe already unawo asazi uJess phela abantu bayakhuluma-ke into eningi but I think leyo ayenzi sense kumina le ownership ukuthi mhlawumbe ungaziqhama sonikeze umuntu 50% kuyinto eqale wena lapha ekade engakafiki laphana even though enayo lo contribution asikuphiki lokho but 50% sebeyagagamela sewuyihaba-ke lo but-ke nathi sombono wethu uSpeaker nawe simele asicheme namuntu besisho nje umbono wethu besiya kwelijikayo laphana anyway sekhona ku-Twitter ethi Speaker nawe sikhona TikTok laphana sene-page sithanda ubayisha lapha siyazama laphana so si-Speaker nawe show ku-TikTok laphana abantu abasifollowe sibe khona ku-Twitch si-Speaker nawe channel iseyintsha laphana ku-Twitch sathithizela but sikhona sibe khona ku-Facebook la si-active khona kakhulu si-Speaker nawe show away we out.